up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today I got some Hat Club heat in the box. As you can tell by the title of the video, one of my first, well, not one of my first kinds of these hats, but first color of these hats. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing because I'm kind of sleepy. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. First and foremost, let's get into the fitted of the day. As you can see on my head, I got the Hat Club Ox Pack Graduation Cubs. Got the WYD pen, you already know the vibes. And I got my boy Turbo Brails pen back on the Batterman. Super dope pen collab. Well, not collab, but you know what I'm saying. Some super dope pens on this super dope hat. For real. One of my favorite hats. This is a grill for real. Alright, y'all already know what's next. We get into the vibes for the day. As you can tell, we got the crispy treats. Get them aromas going because it's been a long day. I swear it's been a long day. So let's get these vibes right. Let me turn on these. Come on, man. Super long day. Y'all just don't know. But yeah, bro. Crispy treats. Some real smooth. You know what I'm saying? Something like. But we about to get into some unboxing, bro. Let's get it. Alright, I always talk about how I get the hat, you know what I'm saying? So, I think I was at work. I was at work when the, Hat Club posted they doing a new drop. And I looked at it, I was like, nah, I'm not getting this drop. And I doubled back and I looked, I was like, nah, that Orioles gotta come home. No Batterman. Satin UV. Green undervisor. Come on now, I'd be stupid not to cop. Plus it's gonna be my first orange hat. So, I went ahead and copped it. And without further ado, we finna open it to see if it lives up to its expectations. Let's get it. Alright, we got our box cutter and we got our box. I used my Hat Club points up on this. And I bought like, y'all gonna see what came in the box, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't spent a whole $62 on a hat. That's absurd, but I still be paying the price though. First and foremost, we got our literature out the way. Alright, you see it. If y'all gonna do it like this, y'all could have put separate boxes. Look. Hold on, let me show y'all. Like, look how bent the hat is, you know. Maybe I should have ordered both of them separately. But we have our Hat Club Care Kit. It comes with the cleaning and deodorizing solution plus the hat brush. I'll make a video using this soon. Well, I want this focus. I'll make a video using this soon, so make sure y'all tapped in. I might link it like somewhere up here. Show y'all how to clean your fitteds off, you know what I'm saying? Like that over here. And we got the bent up hat. And look at it. In all this glory. Bro, come on now. Look at it. It's like it's a whole diagonal. Like, come on now. Like, when you packing something, you should use your common sense and be like, oh, maybe, just maybe I shouldn't put this up in here with the hat because it's gonna bend it. Like, anyway, let's get into the details of the fitting. Let's get into the details of the fitting, bro. Come on now. In this, see, this is really a spooky hat. Like, this is October. If October was a hat, it'll be this right now. So I kind of straightened it out a little bit. But we got the O's logo for the Baltimore Orioles. Baltimore Orioles, come on now, a little sleepy. And we got the Baltimore Oriole on the side as a patch. No baddie, we keeping it classy, no baddie. And we see like the white like pinstripes up in here. Not pinstripes, I forgot what they call them, but They white instead of black, you know what I'm saying? They don't blend in with the hat no more, like, you know, they usually do. So, white sweatband, silky green UV satin, and we got the white New Era flag, orange button. Look at this. Let's get it ready to wear. What I want to do is what I do. I take my stickers off and put them inside the hat, just like I do in all the other videos. Stick on the inside along with this baseball. The only thing that I don't keep is a little price tag. Like, I don't know why, but you know what I'm saying? People usually keep it on their OG Hat Club hats. Let you know how long they've been shopping, what the price was when it came out. So, it should look like this. Now, we about to curve it. Let's get into it. Alright, so once you get your hat, you already know what we doing next. We about to curve this bad boy. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab your fitted and grab anything of your choice, and then you're gonna wrap it around it and mold it and hold it. And it should come out with a perfect curve. And I'm about to show you what it's supposed to look like in a minute. Give me a second. All right, so boom. After you're done molding and holding, you know what I'm saying, curving your fitted, this is what it's supposed to look like. Boom. Check this one out. It's gotta be one of my favorite fitteds. Like, I didn't realize how much I like the color orange. This is my first orange hat. Like this straight orange like this. It fits so good, especially when you got a haircut. Amazing. It's a little, yeah, it gotta be one of my favorite hats. So comfortable. Super duper comfortable. This has been another episode of Unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you tap in, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share, because we are going up to the top. I got some more heat on the way, and I'm thinking about buying another box of heat, so the content is gonna keep coming, so make sure y'all tuned in. And with that being said, peace.